Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping on Mount Triddle right outside of Prescott, Arizona. It is pretty chilly here. Right now it's only 71 degrees, so I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and some pants. Today we're doing something a little different. We are going to be doing a product review on Trio cheese sauce mix. Now I've never eaten this. Mr. Cameraman grew up eating it and he says it's pretty good, so I've got some high hopes. So now we are just going to do exactly what the package says. Now this is a huge package, so I did get a little clip to reseal it. And for smaller amounts, it says use 3/4 of a cup and 2 tablespoons of mix with 2 cups of water. And apparently that makes some delicious cheese sauce. So we're going to make that up, pour it on some pasta, and we're going to have some quick and easy mac and cheese. So we will just rip open the corner of this. It smells really good. And then right here in our skillet, we're just gonna do 3/4 of a cup. And then 2 tablespoons is the same as 1/8 of a cup. So I'm just gonna do 1/8 of a cup. And I will seal this up right now so that it doesn't go everywhere. And then we need 2 cups of water. And then the package just says that you heat that up and stir it until it becomes thick. And it doesn't say high or low or anything, so I'm just gonna put mine on a medium. And we are just going to whisk this and bring it to a simmer until it thickens up. And I can see that there are still a few lumps in there, but hopefully those will kind of dissolve away. And while that kind of warms up a little, we can just rip open our pasta and we will just pop these in the microwave. And normally I wouldn't run the microwave and the skillet at the same time, but since we've only got this on a medium, I'm not too worried about it. It is getting very thick, and I just want to make sure that there are no lumps in it, so we're just going to keep going. The Glamper Camper is out there exploring. Now I did go over the directions again, and it does say bring this to a boil. We will turn it up a little bit just to see if we can get some bubbles. So as you can see, it is bubbling and it has thickened up quite a bit. There are a few lumps in it, but we are not gonna cook it anymore. And now we are just gonna take our pasta and dump it right in. Those look pretty cheesy. Now I'll just get a spoon and we will serve it up. I will say that it does look super cheesy. Let's give it a taste. This is the first time I've ever eaten it. It's pretty good. Well, our first test with the Trio cheese sauce mix was a success. There are just a few pros and cons I want to talk about. The pros is that it's super quick and easy. All you need is this and water. I think it was like $10 or $10.99 for this bag. We used hardly any of it, made all that cheese sauce. There are a few cons, however, also. It's not resealable, which is kind of annoying to me because I don't know anyone who would use this whole bag. And then, to be honest, it does not taste like cheese to me. So if you just added in like a tiny bit of real cheese or just some spices, like we put in some paprika and some Parmesan cheese after we got done filming, and that was really delicious. But yeah, overall, I think it's pretty good. Definitely, I think that you guys should try it out. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Have a great one.